In this video, I'll show you how to create a digital signature in Microsoft Word. It also locks the document so that no one can change it without removing the signature first. Let's get started by opening a Word document. First, we need to insert a signature line. To do this, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. From there, click on Text if it's not already visible, and then click Signature Line. A small menu will appear. Choose Microsoft Office Signature Line. A box will pop up with several fields. The first field is for the suggested signer. This is the person who will sign the document. You can type a name here. The second box is for the person's title, such as Manager or Director. We'll leave this blank for now since it's just an example. You also have the option to add an email address. Below that, you can change the instructions to the signer or just leave the default message. Once everything is filled out the way you want, click OK. A signature line now appears in your document. This is where the signer will add their signature. Now let's talk about the different ways you can sign the document. Double-click on the signature line. A new box will appear. The simplest method is to type your name in the box. This will create a text-based signature. If you have an image of your handwritten signature, you can click Select Image and upload that image instead. This makes your signature look more like a real handwritten one. If you're using a tablet or a touchscreen device, there's another option. At the top of Word, you may see a tab called Draw. If it's available, you can choose the inking tool and use your finger or a stylus to sign directly on the line. After you sign the document, Word will attach a digital certificate to the signature. This includes your ID code and a timestamp. It also marks the document as final. That means no one can make changes to it unless they remove the signature first. This is a great way to make sure that your documents are secure and verified. Now you know how to create a signature line in Word and sign it using different methods. Thanks for watching.